Information for tourists and visitors in Australia. You have to get a holiday visa from the Australian Embassy before you leave. Tourists and visitors can stay for a maximum of 6 months. You cannot work in Australia without a work visa from the Australian Embassy in your country. The currency is Australian dollars. Most shops, hotels and banks in large cities accept credit cards. In smaller towns, you should always have cash with you. Australia is a multicultural country, so there are many different languages. Most people speak or understand English. There are 3 time zones. Temperature and climate are different from region to region. Summers are very hot. Always use lots of sun cream and wear a hat. In the cities, you should stay with friends and don't carry lots of cash. Dial 000 for police, fire, and ambulance.